How to connect your app. On your phone, go to Wi-Fi settings and select the network named WLED AP. Enter the password, WLED1234. Tap Wi-Fi setting, then select Scan. Choose your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and select Save and Connect. Make sure both your phone and controller are connected to the same 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Then open the WLED app. In the app, tap the plus icon at the top right, then select Discover Lights. When the button shows Found WLED, it means your device has been successfully connected to WLED. How to set up the LED strip. From the main WLED effect screen, tap Config. Then select LED Preferences. Here you can configure your strip, choose the LED chip type, set the number of controlled LEDs, pixels, and adjust color correction if needed.